Try another one. Yes, it's a hare. That's right, it's a bear. Well done, that's an elephant. Yay, you got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animal's plate. Put the food on the animal's plate. Good girl. A bear eats acorns. Try another one. Well done. An elephant eats apples. Well done. A hare eats carrots. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Try another one. Try another one. Yes, that's the hare's house. Well done. That's the elephant's house. Move the animal to its house. Move the animal to its house. Right, that's the bear's house. You've helped all the animals. Great job.